The roses in the garden announce the season to come. The roses in the train. The roses in the train announce once more that I will see you, my friend. The roses in the train, I will see you walking down the steps, showing your beautiful smile, giving me a hug and kiss, and walking around the park and many lovely places around. I will remember again all the seasons that I will never forget. The roses in the train, those memories again.